G'day guys, welcome back to Aussie Action 4x4. In today's episode, we're taking some of these RC crawlers up this hill and through a few little tracks. So Max is going to be controlling that silver one there. Jonah's controlling that 6x6, which is actually custom made after it had a little tumble. So that's just 3D printed chassis on there, and we're going to give it a test today and see how she goes. Go one inch at a time, might make it a bit easier. Come on, Jonah. Oh, had a bit of a battery failure, boy.
Should we re-record that? Because it went really...
No, my turn. Oh wait, battery.
Yeah.
Jonah, grab battery. Oh, I didn't realize what you meant by battery.
Oh my god.
Oh damn.
Can you chuck me the battery? Hard as you can.
No. You taking that same line, Max?
Yeah. I'm going to show him how it's done.
Oh, this is the part where Jonah had some trouble.
Take it a bit more right, you want to straddle it. Max, you're about to slip by the hole, aren't you? Do you see what line you want to take?
Oh damn.
Alright, I'm going to call for the winch.
What?
I'm calling for the winch.
Do we want to do that again? Because that was pretty...
Nah.
Winch it, winch it.
Winch it. Oh, Jared, you take the...
Yeah.
Okay,
Winch it.
Just hook it to the...
Hang on.
The handle. We'll probably turn it. Actually, that would be a good test to see how strong the handle is.
Alright, go.
Okay, I'll give you a snatch. Reverse and go a bit of left hand down so you sort of get back on your wheels. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, can I try that again? Because I was thinking once you get a better line.
Alright. Oh yeah, I ripped off your duct tape, Jared.
Oh no, put it back quick.
I'm going back down with that turn.
Right, oh damn. Jonah coming in for round 2.
Yeah, this will be Jonah's redemption run.
Oh, must look quick, boys.
Oh, that's so good.
It's a bit of like, oh actually, you need to get that, you need to get your right wheel up. Send it, go, yeah.
I don't think this is any grip.
Or do that.
There's no grip.
Maybe try that, but as soon as your right wheel's up in that right, fang it left. Jonah. Yeah. Go back. Put your hand left. Oh, there's a stick.
That stick is in the way.
Keep going. Sweet. Time for Max's turn. Why did you go so quick?
You were doing the
Spectacular.
Oh, damn. Oh. This is actually pretty cool, so it's going like a massive thing. Max, be safe.
Alright guys, so that was just the start of it. The next step is this massive hill climb.
Oh. We had a fall, boys. Recovery.
Maybe it's time to opt for the C line. Dun dun dun. Oh.
It might actually be time to opt for a different line.
The A line, the B line, down to the C line.
And then that makes it with these. Oh, where are you going?
Alright, maybe it'll be done, maybe it'll be done.
Oh damn, that was close.
Yeah, I got no drive to the rear wheels.
Oh. Bruh, go, pin it, pin it, pin it. Go, go. Bruh.
Right,
Max, you got
dropped in a hole.
better car than a 6x6, how you feeling?
I have no velocity, right? I
Right.
can't just send it like he does. Because Max, is that full send?